Hi Margaret, we just looked at economic and environmental policy developments that affect the livelihoods of small-scale fishing communities. Do you have examples from Uganda of such policy areas?
A case in point we have in Uganda, a Lacustrine protected area was established on Lake Victoria water bodies. Although the state alleged that the communities were consulted, the communities of this fishing village at Kiziru report that there was actually no effective consultation on where the Lacustrine protected area is going to be established. The result was depriving them of access to fishing grounds. They have to navigate to pass via now the protected area, which is huge, to access fishing grounds, which has a major economic impact because now they need more fuel to pass via that fishing protected area. Also, the protected area was put in place, but it's not marked. So the fishing communities are regularly arrested for trespassing and fishing in this Lacustrine protected area, which was put in place without their effective consultation, nor are they part of managing that area, a fishing ground on which they used to depend on. So as much as we want to put in place conservation measures, biodiversity protection measures, the fishing communities have to be given the priority to be part of the decision making, but also to engage in any conservation and biodiversity protection measures that are going to be put in place.
Margaret, thank you so much for bringing these examples. I think they make it very clear that decisions around these developments need to be made with a meaningful participation of small-scale fishing communities, especially Indigenous peoples and women, and with respect for their rights and customary practices.